Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an insect. A predator, known for its unique preying posture and formidable forelegs, generally not human-friendly. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as mantis, mantis, man, tis, mantis. Mantises are known for their distinctive triangular heads, their ability to swivel their heads 180 degrees, and their impressive predatory skills, often catching prey with their spiked forelegs. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about mantises, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.